How to translate text with ChatGPT better than Google Translate. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can translate your text with ChatGPT better than Google Translate. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on OpenAI's platform, and here I am looking at a translation code right here. So it's basically telling me the translation API takes an input over here from the audio file, supported the languages, and transcribes it necessary. So over here, we can see not only can we go ahead and transcribe video or audio, we can even go ahead and just simply go into ChatGPT and tell it to translate this text into the following languages, and it will do so as quickly. Whereas compared to Google Translate, you just simply type in the text, choose the language you want, and then it'll give you a translation to whatever language you want it to translate to, which is pretty cool. But I believe they should update it instead of just going ahead and giving these two boxes. We should have something like this where we just type the text and go ahead and translate into a list of different languages. So for example, let's say we come over here, right? We'll just copy this. For example, this is the code. We're not going to do that, but you can do that as well if you wanted to. You can just simply copy the code from here, either for Python or Node or whatever that is. I don't quite understand what curly or Node, whatever it is. You can just simply copy it and paste it into the file, and it will run the code and create the application for you. And then you can go ahead and, you know, use it and transcribe audio and translate audio into different languages as well. But for now, we're just simply going to go with the text version for now, because that is going to take a long time. So here in text ChatGPT, we're just simply going to go ahead and type translate the following text into Spanish and into Germany as well. So let's go ahead and type that. So here we go, added that. Now let's go ahead and hit the enter button and check it out. So now it's going to go ahead and translate into Japanese, Spanish, and German as well. So we can see it's pretty cool. Whereas if we were to go ahead and translate this text into, let's say, Google, we'll just go ahead and type that in. It'll be in English, and then we just select the language, right? So right here, as you can see, hola, me almo Wolfgang. Let's go ahead and see vai vengo. So there is a little bit of difference. So it says right here, mi nombre es Wolfgang, vai vengo de Alemania. Whereas over here, it's Wolfgang, was soy de Alemania. Whereas over here is vai vengo. So I'm not really an expert, so I don't know what it means. So let's go ahead and copy this one and say translate it to English. So let's see what it does. So it's very similar to this one as well. So it says right here, hello, my name is Wolfgang and I come from Germany and I am from Germany. Where are you going? Whereas over here, I said, where are you heading today? So as you can see, what I think is happening over here is not only is Google translating the text, but it's also making it easier for the other person to understand. So it's also changing the dialect of the text itself. So instead of saying, hello, my name is Wolfgang and I come from Germany, where are you heading today? It just says, hello, my name is Wolfgang and I'm from Germany. Where are you going today? So I think it changes that text a little bit. So as you can see, where are you going today? Instead, over here, I typed in, where are you heading today? So if you wanted a more accurate translation, I would say go with ChatGPT. But if you wanted to, go ahead and translate a little bit, you can use Google Translate as well. So let's go ahead and copy the Japanese version of the text and see what we get. So if I just go ahead and paste that, so konnichiwa, watashi no name wa, over here, let's go ahead and change it to English. Hello, my name is Wolfgang and I'm from Germany. Where are you heading today? I'm from Germany. So again, see, it did it again. So let's go ahead and see. Watashi no namae wa Wolfgang desu. Kyo wa doko ni muketu imasu ka? So again, it's, as I said before, it's changing the dialect a little bit so that we can understand it better, instead of giving us the exact same translation as it was written. So if I go ahead and, let's go ahead and copy it, and here I paste it, and here I change it to Japanese, right? Let's go ahead and copy it and ask ChatGPT to compare these two texts. Go ahead and say compare it with the following text and tell us the difference, right? Let's go ahead and see what it does. Here is the comparison now. So as you can see, it's actually giving us quite a lot of information. So both texts use the common greeting hola in Spanish and konnichiwa in Japanese, both being meaning hello. And the Spanish text uses mi llamo, I am called, while the Japanese text uses my name is watashi no, with I think that's watashi no namae wa, my name is. So they're both very similar, all right, but the dialect is different because in Spanish it's saying I am called, and in Japanese it's saying my name is. So both introduce Wolfgang, but the Japanese phrase is more formal. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing how it can go ahead and understand what I was trying to ask him to compare these to give us the comparison and tell us what's the differences. And right here is the origin, right? So the text says "Soy de Alemania," I am from Germany, which implies current residence in Germany. The Japanese text says "I come from Germany," which implying Wolfgang arrived from Germany but might not live there now. So it's actually giving us a quite a thorough comparison. And the question right here, that Japanese text says, "Where are you going today?" While the Spanish text says, "Where are you going today?" While the Japanese text says, "Where will you go today?" Both are implying similar meaning, but because of the difference in dialect, the wording is a little bit different. So as you can see, this is how you can go ahead and use ChatGPT to better translate text compared to Google Translate, which I think is pretty cool, right? So right here, this was the text that I copied from Google, and this is the text that was from ChatGPT, and I asked it to compare them to, and that is what we got right here, which I think is pretty cool. And also we can read aloud as well, so we can listen to what it says. So for example, we can even listen to the text as well. So for example, if I were to go ahead and play the text,
here's a comparison between the two texts.
we can even go ahead and listen to
One
them as
Spanish
well.
text. Hola, me llamo Wolfgang y soy de Alemania.
Y soy de
¿A dónde vas
Alemania.
hoy? Hello, my name is Wolfgang and I am from Germany. Where are you going today? 2. Japanese text. Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Wolfgang desu. Dyoitsu wa doko e ikimasu ka? Hello.
Which I
my
think is
name
pretty cool. But
Wolfgang.
I actually it compared it compared the Spanish text. Let's go ahead and see what it would say in Germany, right? Now compare it with Germany, right? Now compare it. See, even I made a mistake. I just said pair it with Germany, but it understood that I meant comparison. So here we go. So now it's comparing the Spanish text with the German text as well. So different in phrases and all of that. So right here is the comparison with Japanese text, which is pretty cool. But yeah, as you can see with ChatGPT, it can give us quite a lot of comparison and very, very thorough differences as well. It can tell us what the dialect is, what the origin is, right? What specific words mean what. So as you can see in Japanese, it's much more formal. If I were to ask it to make it a little bit less formal, it might have chosen to use some different words that might have a completely different meaning in Spanish or in English as well. Now, I was also going to make a comparison video with the Microsoft Translator, but it's not available in the store for some reason. When I open it up, I don't get the option to download it. So, unfortunately, I couldn't do that. But yeah, so that's why I just compared it with Google Text. But yeah, this is how you can use ChatGPT to better translate your text compared to Google Translate. So, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video. And also, if you have any questions, let me know as well. I'll get back to them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.